Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Sounds of the Valley. I'm your host, Nathan Blazer. Today, I have the wonderful John Cranford with me. Thank you very much for joining me tonight, John. How you doing?
Great, Nathan. Thanks for having me here.
That's awesome. John, how this is going to work is I'm going to leave you to play a couple tunes. We'll come back in for an interview section, and then we'll kind of close the show out with some more tunes. You also good with that?
That sounds great, man.
All right. I'm going to just let you do your thing and have the music speak for itself.
It's the last cigarette on this cold rocky ridge. Honey, I'm coming home. Just another couple minutes before I get my fix. Honey, I'm coming home. And it's the last foul breeze. It's the streets. It's pulling the leaves down. And it's the last fall breeze. It's there's the streets. It's pulling the leaves down. You down. I was broke back in that town, but honey, it's over now. And I know I let you down. And I was broke back in that town, but honey, it's over now. And it's the last fall breeze. There's the streets. It's pulling the leaves down. And it's the last fall breeze. There's the streets. It's pulling the leaves down. Smell the smoke. Honey, you know I'm home. It's the last foul breeze. It's the streets. It's pulling the leaves down. And it's the last foul breeze. It's the streets. Keeps pulling the leaves down. Cool. That song's called "Last Fall Breeze." Thanks y'all so much. I wanted to play. Yeah, I want to start out with that. I was coming up from like Madison today. Drove up to do this show tonight, and came up from Nashville, Tennessee, and so there's like this cool progression of. Nice, kind of nicer weather into like straight snow. And I was like, oh yeah, this is like the last of fall. So I thought that was an appropriate tune to start off with. I'm gonna play something that I put out like right before the pandemic. You can find it under like my name on Spotify or iTunes or however you get your music. I wrote this song with my friend Yanni Reinecke and Martin Lesh, and we've recorded it down in Hilton Head Island, South Carolina, where I live. And it's about when your wife is right and you're wrong, which seems to happen a lot at my house. That's supposed to be funny. It's called Cavalier, and we were having a hurricane in 2016, Hurricane Irma. And she wanted to evacuate and get out of there. And I'm standing there like, nah, we're going to be fine. You know, it's not going to hit us. And she's like, man, you're so cavalier. And I didn't know what that word meant, so I had to look it up in the dictionary. So this is called Cavalier, and it goes like this. And she told me, quit being so cavalier. This hurricane is coming, and you don't even care. Well, I said, baby, we are fine, right here where we stand. I took my sword and drew a line, way down in the sand. This is where we need to be, fighting for something bigger, something free. This is where you can always see. The slow looks through the glass, and something hits me hard. And I'm slowing down. I'm slowing down this scene. And there's an upright piano out in the middle of the street. Soldiers taking bullets from their heads down to their feet. And buddies all bleeding out right in front of me. But I'm at home watching it all go down on TV. This is where you need to be, fighting for something bigger, something free. This is where you can always see. The soul looks through the glass, and something hits me hard. And I'm slowing down. I'm slowing down this scene. Slowing down this scene. This is where we all go down with no innocence. Leaving town with all your friends and no second chance. And she told me, quit being so cavalier. This hurricane is coming, you don't even care. But I said, baby, we are fine, right here where we stand. And I took my sword and drew a line, way down in the sand. This is where we need to be, fighting for something bigger, something free. This is where you can always see. The slow looks through the glass, and something hits me hard. And I'm slowing down. I'm slowing down this scene. Oh, it's called Cavalier. Thanks y'all for listening to that. Oh, I like that. There's an applause. You folks at home can't hear it, but I can. I'm going to do one more tune here before we do our interview. And I like playing this song. I like sort of tongue-in-cheek songwriting. And my dad's here tonight. I brought him. I haven't seen him in a while, and so I picked him up, came off the road, picked him up, and came right here. So I'm going to play this for my dad. When he was raising me up, he had a lot of Stephen King books. So that was like one of the first authors I got really into, and I like scary stuff. And I thought, man, this would be funny if we like turned The Shining into a children's song. 'Cause that's kind of funny and weird. I wrote this with my band Cranford Hollow. Well, we used to play down at the State Theater, and we played the Mousetrap here in Eau Claire. You can check us out if you want. But this one's called Shine, and it's about The Shining. Are coming down. Oh, Nanny boy, your eyes are heavy now. And you can see beyond the sound, the ghost below the ground. And your steam is slipping now, but your daddy's not around. Oh, Danny boy, shine your light and crown. Them lights of frights can fill your nights in. When you see them things that bite, just close your eyes and hold on tight. Danny boy, it'll be alright. Is coming down. Oh, Danny boy, come play with us for now. And you pedal past the door, put your foot down on the floor. And that ghost is wanting more. Daddy's gone for good. See them things that bite, just close your eyes and hold on tight. Then boy, it'll be alright. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. It'll be out. It'll be out. It'll be out. It'll be out. It'll be alright. And the lights of frights can fill your nights in. When you see them things that bite, just close your eyes and hold on tight. Then boy, it'll be alright. Lights of frights can fill your nights in. When you see them things that bite, just close your eyes and hold on tight. Danny boy, it'll be alright. Thanks y'all for listening.